First load's off, guys, but I ripped the weld right out of the truck. Project for after these loads today. I got quite a few more to do. Let me go get more. I'll show you as we go. Load number 2 on the truck. Let's get the junk off. We gotta go get a few more. There you go. That was that load. Let's go get another one. Here we go, guys. This is why I brought that little tiny load, a couple desks on the last portion of this video. Had to go get all the good stuff. It's all aluminum, computers, electronics, printers, and I got some other stuff I already brought in to my warehouse. Once I get in there, I'll show you what we brought in. Some pretty good stuff though. Let me get this unloaded and I'll show you a little bit more as we go. Here's some different units that were on those pallets that were on the truck. Audio and video controls, plus the 4 excuse me, plus the 4 cabinets, all the hookups. Everything works too. So we're going to sort through that, see if we can get it sold. Picked up these 2 floor buffers, floor polisher, whatever you want to call them. Both of them work. Those will get sold also. Picked up a couple dozen of these batteries right here. Another pile of TVs. Some monitors up here on the top. And there's some other stuff. Let me get some of this stuff into the warehouse and I'll show you some more. Hey guys, a few more things I got on that load yesterday. This is a brand new portable air conditioner. It's never been used. So I just got to plug it in, make sure it works, and we'll get that thing sold. I got this here also. It's a commercial floor. It scrubs the floor and then it squeegees it right off. Runs on battery. These are expensive, so I'm gonna test it, get it working again. I believe it still works. I don't think there's anything wrong with it. I think it just has to charge the battery. And we'll get that sold. Here's another thing that came on that load. A whole pallet of metal detectors. This is just really like the brain of the metal detector, not the 2 sides that you would see like when you walk through it. Those I just let go as light iron because they're just plastic. And there's one winding of aluminum inside, but it's coated aluminum, so it still goes as irony aluminum. It's not worth the time to take it apart and then have to throw out all the plastic. So let that go as light iron, and I just keep the top of these units. This is where all the electronics are, and the whole shell is all aluminum. So I'll scrap these all out later. Right now I gotta go pick up a couple condensing units. Somebody just dropped this off to me 2 minutes ago. So we'll get that processed out today. And see what we could pile up. Let me hop in the machine, get these off the truck. Let me get this out of the way here. And I'll show you guys a little bit as we go. stainless screws, aluminum plate, and there's all the nice boards. I don't know if you could see that, but maybe the sun is blocking it out. It's all gold in there. A little bit of wiring. Power supply. I still got to take those out of all these. But we'll have a nice pallet of aluminum here. Let me get some more apart, I'll show you. Alright guys, power supplies are all on the ground. And just a little screen. There's a little piece of silver behind there, you know where the keypad is. Little speaker to take off, and then the plate is aluminum. These aluminum plates, there's all the boards and wires that came out of it. And here's all the units all stripped down, ready to go. I think I'm going to take a few minutes to pull these power supplies apart. The case around it is aluminum. I can shrink wrap that right to this pallet. And this whole pallet will go as clean aluminum. I also took apart that condenser that we had out here. I showed you maybe a little while ago, or my last video. A little bit of copper line set. Clean copper aluminum radiator. Just some light iron. And I got a whole load on the truck.